Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm so sorry guys, I haven't uploaded any videos on my YouTube channel, but I'm trying my best to make videos consistently. By the grace of God, I got my first MacBook today. I bought it from Imagine, from Gurgaon, and it is one of the authorized reseller, Apple reseller. So I'm going to unbox this MacBook. So let's watch together. Watch till the end, guys. This is MacBook Air with 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M2 chip. This is my first time. Woohoo! My first MacBook Air. Look at that. Wow, this is Starlight, one of my favorite color. This is just wow. Look at that. Oh, look at that profile. The thickness of this MacBook M 256 ROM. Let's see how it goes. So here is the charger. Wow, it's very nice. I think it's 3 meters long. And here is, I think there might be a sticker. Let's keep it aside. And here is the adapter. Wow, Type-C. Let's see. Okay, that's it. MacBook. Hey, yeah. Let's open it, guys. Wow, you hear that sound? Oh, ho, ho. Be good to me, be good to me. Look at that, guys. Wow. It is very thick. I mean, very thin. Look at that. It's very thin. Yes. I will be editing my videos from here. It's not that big. The surface and the thickness of this MacBook is just my favorite. Just what I want. Let me just enter my password. Alright, our MacBook is good to go. Yes, I will upload more videos on my channel. If yes, keep on supporting, keep on loving, and thank you so much for the people who is still watching my video. I still saw some comments on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I will try to keep on updating, keep on uploading about anything if I have free time. Yes, so please like this video and keep on supporting. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.